Bees are small, but wow. Think a bee's brain is tiny and useless? Think again. It's a genius in miniature. They zip around with a brain the size of a sesame seed and still remember hundreds of flower locations. Bees use a waggle dance to share exact directions and distance like GPS, but cuter. They solve problems, learn colors and patterns, and even count to a small number. Best part, their teamwork pollinates a third of the food we eat: apples, almonds, coffee. Thank a bee. Small? Yes. Brilliant. Absolutely. Be kind to bees. They keep our world buzzing.